Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a video on how to do a high bun with clip-ins. So my hair is looking a little shrunken, I guess. I just got out the shower and I have my hair in this little bun. So before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on notifications so you won't miss a video. And just in case y'all were wondering, I am wearing a shirt. It's just sleeveless, strapless, whatever you call it. It's these type of shirts. It's actually a dress. It's really cute. The clip-ins I'm going to be using today are from Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. Please excuse all the fingerprints and stuff. I don't know. Just don't judge me. So what I do to get this texture to match mine a little bit more is I'm just going to take my comb and just comb it out like this.
Me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me what you want to know.
And I'm also going to try to use a paddle brush and see how this works. I like how the paddle brush looks too. So I'm going to get my clip-ins to look like this.
But I found nobody. Call on me. I go give you.
And I'm just going to do this for each one. I'm not sure how many clip-ins I'm going to use yet, but I'm going to do this for a few clip-ins. Okay, so I did a few of them and I'm just going to go ahead and prep my hair. So I'm just going to spray my hair with a little bit of water. And I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner. Y'all should already know what it's going to be. It smells so good. And I'm going to be taking my Ebin New York Edge Control and put that all around my hair.
Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to this, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel it, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah.
And I'm just gonna brush this back.
And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you. And I'ma give you anything you want. And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free.
Alright, so now I'm gonna take the one that has 2 clips in it and start at the back of my hair.
This one will be private show. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. Moto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting her more. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. VQ's bad man point the instrumental. Giving you one time. It's okay. Bad man see go take you there. Pull up. that thing where I go feel relate, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to tell y'all, this is where you get your strong arms from, like, oh my goodness. So now I'm just gonna try to shape it and just blend all the hair together, shape it and pin it down.
And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine up to the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show.
So I think I forgot to mention this earlier, but I used 4 clip-ins in total. 2 of them had 2 clips and the other 2 had 3 clips. So yeah, that is it to make this really cute high bun tutorial.
She moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so.
I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you think down below in the comments. And I will see you all on the next video. Oh, but look at those waves though. Okay, I will see you all on the next video.